Mandy's lemonade uses only sugar and squeezed lemon juice, but the ratio is a secret. One day you overhear Mandy commenting that she accidentally doubled the amount of sugar without changing the amount of lemon juice, creating a drink that is 10% sugar. What is the ratio of sugar to lemon juice in Mandy's original recipe? So assume that ratio of sugar to lemon juice in the original recipe. So this is the original recipe, and that equals x is to y. So when sugar is doubled, when the sugar is doubled, ratio becomes 2x is to y. Now the proportion of sugar in this particular ratio, so if I write the proportion of sugar now equals 2x divided by 2x plus y, that is the proportion of sugar, or that's a proportion of sugar. So if 2x plus y is the total quantity of the juice, then 2x out of that part would be sugar. So that's what it is. So now what we can say is that this part equals 10%. So we can write 2x divided by 2x plus y equals 10 out of 100, and that equals 1 out of 10. So from here we can say that 2x multiplied by 10 is 20x equals 2x plus y, or 18x equals y, and that gives us that implies x out of y equals 1 out of 18, and that is the ratio of sugar to lemon juice in the original recipe. So that's 1 out of 18.